Now, never say I ain't put you girls up on anything. Now, this is the Softy Wrench Out Wig Conditioner. So, all my girls that absolutely love the wigs, honey, you be flowing and going. And also glowing. Don't forget the glowing. Now, this is $1.25 coconut and hibiscus. And then they also have the wig dry shampoo, $1.25. Same exact scent, coconut hibiscus. All right, family. If you are looking for a mascara, okay, for your lashes, make sure you guys are checking these out at Dollar Tree. Now, 2 different mascaras to lashes. I need 2 different mascaras, okay? So, on this eye, I used a different mascara than this eye. I'm definitely feeling this one out. Really good. Dollar Tree, you know, you fancy. Honey, you can never say, I don't have you move your feet to the beat. You see these wipes? Okay, so these are the 20 wipes, antibacterial hand wipes, jasmine and dragon fruit, $1.25. I'm going to go ahead and get this. I'm going to try these wipes out and see exactly how they are. All right? I think this is so convenient and cute. You know, they have the little key thing right here. Like I said, you can, you know, easily clip it onto your pocketbook, your pants. You can even, that's about it. You know, I must say, Dollar Tree, they products is getting better and better and better. It's so good. You know, the products and stuff that they have. Mm-hmm. Blueberry. All right, so oh, you could really smell the alcohol in this, honey. So the wipes, they good, you know. Kind of on the skinny side. But, you know, what could you expect for it to be in a little travel size container like this? Not bad at all, especially for if you're a person that's always on the go. This is excellent. Are these a go or a no? The people wants to know. Hey, my loves, if you guys are looking for new finds, when the last time you've been here to the Dollar Tree? Not them selling Revlon, all right? Look at this. Honey, they have a few of these. And it's definitely the packaging for me. You see this? This is cute. They also have the yellow. Absolutely love this. So this is the Ultra HD Snap. Really, really cool. $1.25. Oh my goodness, they have so many new items. Check this out. So they also have this green one as well. My favorite in this case is definitely the orange and also the yellow. These look so good. Absolutely love them. Now, if you guys have not seen these already, this is the Nads Eco Salon Wax. This is just like this, the wax. It doesn't have the beads or anything like that. With organic hemp oil, total body hair removal that's good for you in an environment. It comes like in a little container. Let me show you. Alright, so I said in a little container. Oh, these are all closed off and I don't want to open them. But it's like a little circle jar. Really good for $1.25. That's definitely a steal. Now, another new item that Dollar Tree has is the LA Colors Turn the Volume Up Mascara. These are $1.25. Now, they say before and after. Now we're gonna be the judge on this one. You get what I'm saying? They also have this pink one. Now this one is for the length, and this one is I thought the black one was for the length, but this is for the volume. This is for the length. I'm gonna do the length one. Oh, they also have this one too. Look at this. Lash lifting. Ooh. Honey. Which one should we get? Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna just go ahead and get these two. All right, family. So the first one I'm going to use is the Lift and Lock. Okay, this feels so weird. I'm gonna have to look over here. So far, definitely good. If you guys see this one, this lash is not as long. All right, let's finish. Oh my goodness, I love this. Now, we're going to try the other one. Because you guys see, I remember it was this girl that I had met in a mall one day. And she had like some really gorgeous, like her lashes was nice and full. And one of the things she said was she was using this mascara from MAC. But she said the secret to making the lashes like full is one, having a good mascara. She originally had like long lashes, having a good mascara, and then she said put like 2 coats on there. So I'm gonna go back in with this, but I'm gonna go and now I'm gonna use the Totally Iconic length mascara, the pink one. I still say this one. When you guys put the mascara on, do you put it down at the bottom too? I really don't put it down at the bottom because I feel like it'll be a mess. This one, the length one, see, I knew what I was doing. And look at this brush. You see how it curves so good. Wow. That looks so good. I just don't, want it cakey. This one is good though. Really good. Just like this.
Oh, and I'm in the actual.
Now, Dollar Tree also have the C and D Creative Play Nail Lacquer. This is a gel polish. Ooh, really, really cute. So I guess this is the gel that goes on top of this nail polish over here. But I'm thinking, would it work with the Revlon, you know? I don't know, my loves. But this is good. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here doing. Now, another amazing item Dollar Tree has is the Sassy and Chic. This is the makeup brush. Really, really cool. I like this. It has 2 tips for $1.25. Now, another new item Dollar Tree has is the Pure Silk. This is the Volcano Stone Facial Roller. This is $1.25. If you guys are looking for flushable wipes, Dollar Tree definitely have them. They have the Tushy flushable wipes. You get 48 for $1.25. They also have the Joe Boxer wipes. I absolutely love these. These are $1.25. Plant-based, and these are 30 pre-moisturized wipes. Love it. Now, Dollar Tree also have these cuticle nippers. These are $1.25. But in my opinion, when it comes to the cuticle clippers, I like the basic one. You know, the one that's really, really easy, that you can just pretty much like clip your cuticles, and it's very, very simple. But this is $1.25. What really makes it fancy though is the rose gold. Now, another Dollar Tree find is this cuticle oil that they have that comes in different scents. Honey, I ain't gonna begin to pronounce this because I'm gonna jack that name up. You hear me? Now, they also have this one, Amethyst. Okay, and I guess it's going after the gemstones. Look at Dollar Tree. They really out here showing it. Now, if you guys have not already seen these are the portable soap sheets. 20 you get, and they are fresh scented. They come in different scents. And what's cool about this is they have the little key thing right here. You can put on your bag, your keys. And these are really, really good, especially if you out in public a lot. And you know those public restrooms, they don't be having soap sometimes. So this is definitely a steal deal. They also have this personal care. Now, this is really giving Bath and Body Works, okay? Bath and Body Works. Look at this. Indonesian vanilla scented liquid soap, Moroccan jasmine scented, and they also have the Thai coconut scented. Let's see how these smell, star faces. This one is the Brazilian orange scented, and we just gonna smell this. I mean, you can smell an orange some, you know, but for $1.25 it's not bad. Let's see how the Indonesian. Oh, you can smell the vanilla on this one. I mean, nothing is gonna knock my socks off. You know, I'm not even wearing socks, but if I was, okay, nothing that's so crazy that it's gonna just knock my socks off. Ooh, this one smells good. The Moroccan jasmine scented one. Now, this one, that jasmine, honey, this one, never say I ain't put you up on nothing, girls. Now, let's see how this one smell. Ooh, the Thai. But my favorite is definitely this one. $1.25 still deal. Got your own money. Now, Amani wanted to show you guys her nails because she's, you know, we got the same nails, honey. So she said, can I show them my nails? These nails, honey, I got these from TJ Maxx, okay? Really, really gorgeous. They Halloween theme. I know, you know, it's really early, but honey, that's okay.
Okay.
Really cool.
This one. This one's better.
Camera to the front, please.
Now, Dollar Tree also have these wig clips over here, 10 packs for $1.25 from Softy. Really amazing. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Joe Boxers. Now, I absolutely love these because they are small But when you open them, take them out of the package, they are the size like of a washcloth, okay, wash rag. It's dirty, individually wrapped, pre-moistened wipes. Now, the scent is chili mint, travel friendly, eucalyptus, and vitamin E. Plus, they are also flushable. Now, they also have the detoxifying charcoal face and body wipes. Is dirty, same as that concept. These are not flushable though. All right, my love. So they also have more. They have the eucalyptus face and body cleansing wipes, dirty, individually wrapped, pre-moistened wipes. Now, again, these are not flushable, so they have 3 different kinds. Okay, it says boost circulation and reduces inflammation for healthy glow. Ooh, okay. Now, Dollar Tree also have these warm white LED light bulbs. Speaking of light bulbs, honey, I need to get me about 2 of these. Now, other amazing items that Dollar Tree has is the 4-foot inflatable pumpkins. These are $7. They also have the set of 2 inflatable eyes and an LED inflatable outdoor decor. Now, these are $20, the LED inflatable outdoor decor. Now, these are definitely new. This is the glass candle holders. They come in 2 different sizes. I believe these are $7, if I'm not mistaken. Wait, hold on. Let's see. Oh, these are $3. Honey, I'm up here telling you guys it's $7. 3. Absolutely fantastic.